Nollywood actress Rita Edochie has expressed outrage and disappointment over a recent incident involving Prophet Odumeje and Judy Austin, the second wife of Rita Edochie. Rita Edochie and Judy Austin both were invited by Odumeje, but Rita Edochie, a strong supporter of May Edochie, used a strange wife, took to Instagram to condemn it. Rita Edochie criticized Prophet Odumeje for allowing Judy Austin to ascend to the altar, describing the act as sacrilegious and shameful. She questioned the prophet's decision, stating that Judy Austin's presence on the altar was an affront to the sacredness of the place. Rita Edochie's lengthy post expressed her anger and disappointment, not only with Judy Austin, but also with Prophet Odumeje for permitting the incident. She emphasized that the altar should be a place of truth, holiness, and purity, not a platform for wicked souls and adulterous beings. Recall that the Nollywood actor Rita Edochie stirred up controversy on social media with a bold claim about his relationship with his second wife, Judy Austin. Taken to Instagram, Edochie shared photos of the couple, declaring them the most entertaining couple on social media. While some fans admired his confidence, others criticized the actor for what they perceived as a need for validation. Stay tuned to NaijaNews TV for more real-time updates and exclusive videos.